Hey everyone, Jay here, and I'm going to show you how to fix some common audio problems in a Windows computer. Right? Perhaps your microphone is not working, or your speakers are not working. And so this trick is going to cover most problems with either a microphone or a speaker. Um, the big thing that we're going to do here at the end of this process is restart the computer. So if for any reason you don't want to restart, don't do this at this moment. Okay, so let's get started. First, you're going to hit the Windows key on your keyboard and the X key. And that's going to open up this menu right here. A lot of cool things we can pick from here. We're going to choose Device Manager. Right? It's not the only way to open the Device Manager, but it's the quickest and easiest way to open up the Device Manager. So all the devices that are inside or connected to your computer will be in here in their various categories. We're looking at audio inputs and outputs. I'm on my home computer recording this, and I have quite a few audio things. I have a microphone for the camera. I have a separate microphone because the microphone and the camera are kind of crappy. And I have Bluetooth speakers and just a bunch of audio devices that you can see right here. So I actually had a problem with my regular audio earlier, and I did this and it seems to be working fine. And I've done this with microphones as well. So what you want to do is find which device is having the problem. Okay, so if you only have two devices listed on here, a microphone and a speaker, it's going to be pretty easy for you. Pick either the microphone or the speaker. If, like me, you have a lot of things, you're going to have to figure out which one it is. I even have speakers in my monitors as well. So you have to figure out which one it is. Let's say this is my primary audio built into the computer. That's what this one is. So whichever one it is, you're going to right click and you're going to, you can do update driver. Generally, what's going to happen here is you'll tell it to search automatically, and usually it'll just say you already have the best ones. All right, so we'll close that. You can try that one. That's if it works. If you don't have the most up-to-date one, it'll work for you. But what we really want to do is uninstall device. It will uninstall it. And then when you restart your computer, assuming you are connected to the internet, it will automatically see, hey, we got new hardware, and it will automatically find the drivers for it, reinstall it, and it should probably just work. Right? And you can do this with anything that doesn't have special drivers that you had to install when you bought them. And even then, sometimes you still can. So you can do this with a speaker or with a microphone. Right here, that would be my fancy microphone. I'm not going to uninstall it in the video because it will stop working in the video if I do that. But those are the steps. So you just right click, uninstall device, then restart your computer, and assuming you're on the internet, it will reinstall this automatically for you. And ideally, if there was something wrong before, it will be fixed because now it will be a fresh install. Okay? If there's still problems after this, then you have probably a hardware problem and not a software problem. All right, and that's it. That is quick fix for a lot of audio problems. All right, see you next time.